Positive. Cutting into live tissue always leaves a vital reaction that is markedly different than cutting into dead tissue.
And you're sure there's no way another Emmy could have gotten this wrong or mistaken the two?
No. Now you want to tell me what this is all about before I go and re-autopsy that mummified body over there? Your predictability is very impressive, Elizabeth. I find it very comforting.
I let him go.
Why?
It's not what you wanted. I don't understand you.
Gwen Rice.
Okay, well, if you hadn't noticed, this is the office of the district attorney, not a family law firm.
Oh, unless you're Kyle and John Durning, which means that this is a free legal aid clinic. Oh, I've learned to deal with pain. I'm not quite sure who I'd be without it. Pain keeps me tethered to the world. Maybe if all the healthy kids in Texas could give a week of their allowance to the sick kids, maybe some of them wouldn't die after all. What you hear isn't the half of it. She's got scams you haven't even dreamed of. Back-on her kickbacks. There's a river of dirty money flowing through this place. Have you seen my Agnes? Please!
No, I've not. I don't know your Agnes.
Please!
I don't know you. I do not know your Agnes.
I know I left my book open in the study, and I just can't imagine what you must be thinking. But you see, Paul, it's all going to be okay. Trust me, darling. It's for the best.
Eddie, God, no.